Hey, I'm Guido Gaguzzi, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. Today I got my brother-in-law John Castellotieri with me, and we're gonna show you how to make a martini.
Thanks, Gigi. So the first thing we gotta do is choose the base alcohol, either vodka or gin. What'll it be?
You're the expert, I defer to you, Johnny boy.
All right, let's use gin.
Despite the fact that maybe your guest prefers something else.
So you wanna use vodka then?
No, I don't like vodka.
So gin is fine.
I don't like gin either.
Gigi, it's a martini. It's either vodka or gin.
It's not about the vodka or gin, John. It's about the deferment.
The deferment?
You asked me what I want, I said I defer to you, and then you don't have the decency to defer back?
Why would I defer back?
I'm a guest in your home. If your guest defers, you defer back. You have to double defer.
But you don't care which one we use.
No.
So why would I double defer?
It's part of the delicate dance we do for the sake of the social construct.
What social construct?
The one determined by deferment.
Do you want to make this video or not?
I defer to you. Anytime now. Dance with me, John.
I defer back to you.
You know what? I don't like martinis, so.
Oh, well, isn't that fucking perfect?
There you go.